Now on this one, all we get is a little flash for a second, and that's it. We did change the glow plugs. That's as far as we got. So there's more going on here that we got to check out. We did not have as much luck as the other HumVee by just replacing the TCU. After pulling the box out, obviously that guy's all burnt up. All right, so I pulled out using the solder gun here, popped off the bad one here, and we're going to put a new one on. We'll see how that turns out. Now, just got to bend the ends and get it to the right angle that we want. This guy's going to go in there, and the other one's going to go there. There's a lot of play in this, so that's not going to matter too much. I think that's all we need to do. Get the bubble out. All right, cleaned this guy up, and then all the soot and stuff is around here. So now let's put that back together. Yeah, I know, not the best solder in the world. See if this works. All right, so now we just tighten all these guys down. A lot of fun. This is like the boring, tedious part of these projects, but anyway, you get it. Can you imagine doing this like without power tools? I think those guys in World War II did that. Yeah, no thanks. All right, that's all done. Let's go put it back in the vehicle. So after reinstalling the box there, the diode, yay, we have a weight light. Wait for it to go out. Hey, look at that. Well, not bad for a 10-cent part. Good to go. Yeah, so the choice on that was spending $1,000 on the one of the new boxes, or just replacing the diode on that burnt up board. Yeah, well, you have to buy them in a pack, but you know, $3 and something cents, whatever. I'll take that.